Welcome, deep divers. September's here. Things are shifting, routines are changing.
Yeah,
And Google Small Business dropped their fall bulletin. It's absolutely
it
packed.
really is.
So, our mission today, let's unpack this. We want to give you the shortcut, basically, to using these tools for a really strong new season.
Absolutely. It's about getting past just what's there to, how you can actually use these things strategically.
Yeah.
We'll hit the immediate updates, but also some more advanced stuff for growth, all using Google tools.
Okay, let's kick things off with something simple, but honestly, super important. Holiday hours on your Google business profile.
Right.
I mean, who hasn't driven somewhere expecting it to be open based on Google, only to find it closed? It's so
No,
frustrating.
definitely. And it's more than just annoying one customer,
Yeah.
right? That experience can stick. It affects reviews, word of mouth.
Yeah.
So the bulletin actually has like 3 quick tips here. First, be specific. Don't just put closed. Say why closed for Thanksgiving, special holiday hours.
Manages expectations.
Makes sense. Second, double check the dates. Sounds obvious, but it's easy to get a year wrong or mix up holidays.
Mm-hmm.
And third, if you're extending hours, say for the busy season, update your regular hours too, not just the special holiday ones. Otherwise, you might confuse people or even the system.
Good point. Solid advice. And for anyone wanting to go deeper on their Google business profile, they mentioned the replay of that optimizing your Google business profile workshop.
Yeah, that's a great resource, especially for beginners. It really walks through why DBP is so, well, crucial.
What does it cover specifically?
It gives you a good overview, but also practical stuff, like a live walkthrough showing how to add your social media links and, importantly, how to add messaging links so customers can contact you directly.
Oh, nice. Direct connection.
Exactly. And it also guides you through setting up Google Posts with the new tool, so you can share updates, offers, that kind of thing. What's fascinating here is how these basic actions can really boost your visibility, how people find and interact with you online.
Right, getting those foundational elements right. Okay, so moving from the profile itself, what about more personalized support? They mentioned the Google Small Business Advisor program.
Yeah, this is interesting. It's a one-on-one 50-minute session. Costs $39.99, currently U.S. only. And it's designed for getting hands-on recommendations tailored to your business.
So what can they actually help with?
They focus on Google Business Profile, Google Ads, Merchant Center, and Google Analytics. But it's important to know what they don't do. This isn't tech support for, say, verifying your account or fixing policy issues.
Okay, so it's strategic advice, not troubleshooting basic account problems.
Exactly. It raises that important question, about getting guidance that's really specific to your goals rather than just general best practices.
Gotcha. And while that personalized advice is great, there are also tools for, let's say, self-service efficiency. They highlighted the Make AI Work for You YouTube course. New videos weekly, apparently.
Yeah, and this is less about becoming an AI expert and more about practical ways to save time. Well, think about unlocking fresh ideas for content, maybe getting help drafting emails or social posts or just eliminating some of that repetitive administrative work. It's about using AI to free you up for more strategic stuff.
Makes sense. Okay, let's shift gears a bit to advertising. They talk about Google Performance Max, or PMax. Sounds like a big gun for scaling online.
It definitely is. PMax uses Google's AI across all its channels. Search, YouTube, Display, Discover, Gmail, Maps, the whole lot. The idea is to find converting customers wherever they might be online.
So it casts a wide net using AI.
Exactly. But here's the thing. It relies heavily on your inputs. High-quality creative is absolutely crucial. Images, videos, headlines, descriptions. You need a good variety.
Why is that so critical?
Because PMax uses those assets to create ads dynamically across all those different channels. If you feed it weak or limited creative, the AI doesn't have much to work with. It needs those strong building blocks to find what resonates. Garbage in, garbage out, basically.
Right. Feed the machine well. So PMax can help with accelerating online growth, driving sales both online and maybe even offline.
Yeah, and reaching consumers across many touch points, taking some guesswork out of targeting specific audiences, and just capturing more conversions overall.
Who's it best for?
It's pretty versatile. Great for e-commerce, local services, lead generation, businesses with multiple locations. You can even guide it by selecting campaign goals like sales, leads, or local store visits and promotions when you set it up.
Seems powerful.
It is, but a quick caveat.
Mm-hmm.
It works best when your foundations are solid. Like if your conversion tracking is messy or your website doesn't clearly state your value, PMAX might just amplify those issues. It needs that solid base to really perform.
Okay, that's a really important point. So wrapping this up, what does this all mean for a small business owner right now?
Well, it means Google's offering a pretty wide range of tools for the fall, from those quick but vital profile updates like holiday hours,
Right, the foundational stuff.
to getting that personalized advice, leveraging AI for efficiency, and even using advanced campaigns like PMAX for serious growth. There's something for sort of every level.
Definitely a lot to consider.
So as we finish this deep dive into the fall bulletin,
Mhm.
maybe the question for you, the listener, is this. Considering everything, the quick wins, the advisor program, AI, PMAX, what's one specific thing you're going to explore or actually do today or this week to position your business better for the season ahead? Because, insights are great, but action is what makes the difference.